If you're trying to delete your Google AI Studios account, in today's video, let me show you the process. Welcome back everyone to a short tutorial video on how Genex. Now, as you all know, Google AI Studios is directly connected with your Google account. So for those reasons, you don't need to create an account of Google AI Studios. As long as you select your Google account, you will be immediately logged in. So for the same reason as well, you do not have separate options of deleting your Google AI Studios. Instead of that, you will have to delete your entire Google account. If you're trying to delete your Google account entirely, what you can do is head over to the profile section on the top right and then head over to manage your Google account. From this section, head over to data and privacy. And if you scroll down a bit under more options, you'll see the section called delete your Google account. As I said, there is no section of deleting separately the Google AI Studios. You'll need to delete your entire Google account. So if you agree, click on this option, type in your password, and your Google account will be entirely deleted. This is the only option that you have in terms of deleting your Google AI Studios. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that notification as well so you get notified for more informative videos.